Basement Watchdog.
Hi, I'm Alan Schulman, founder and CEO of Glentronics. We're the folks that make the Basement Watchdog sump pumps. Today I want to talk to you about it's not a sump pump. It's a water alarm. Now, you know, there's a lot of water alarms in the world and they're meant to be placed around to detect water. And generally it's a box, and it's got two little connectors, and you set it on the ground, and if it gets wet, it beeps. But what if it tips over? What if it's not in the right place? The 360 Watchdog water alarm solves all those problems. We wanted to have something that was foolproof, that no matter what position it was in, it would alarm. And so on each of the four corners of this unit, there's a sensor pad, and there's a gap of 1/32 of an inch, very thin. And so when that level of water, a little bit of water, touches these contacts, that's loud. I mean, it's smoke detector loud. You're going to hear this, you're going to pay attention, you're going to find out where it's coming from. Fix the water leak before you have a problem. There's a 9-volt battery that's running it in a sealed compartment here that's also waterproof. You hear the beeper, it's a waterproof beeper. There's a lot of things that will accommodate that. If this thing literally was inundated by water, it's just going to keep beeping. It's not going to be effective. There's a lot of places to put them in your home. There's under sinks, refrigerators, hot water heaters, anywhere where there's a potential for leaking water. Water alarm is going to save you a whole lot of potential damage by knowing immediately, I've got water. When you need protection from unwanted water, think of the Basement Watchdog 360 water alarm. Lots of retailers have this product. Online is the easiest way. Get a 2-pack, get a 4-pack, get a 6-pack. Basement Watchdog 360 water alarm. Thanks for watching.
The Basement Watchdog, watching out for you. Visit us at basementwatchdog.com to learn more.